Okay, when you talk about spiritual stuff and defines then 高我 okay, 教我 this word is in Chinese is called 合一 okay 合一 okay it's from Buddhism or it's from Tao's a lot of words okay in English some I will say unity okay unity everyone is the same okay everyone is the same I'm you you are me you're a reflection of me I'm a reflection of you you can see something I'm similar to you I can also see something you are similar to me when I'm angry we will also be angry okay we keep affecting each other we are connected that's why we are connected we never disconnected okay we are connected as long as you can find your heart a lot of people living like a machine like a robot they are like that because they're already out of their mind it takes them very long time to come back because it's been years and years and years of time they live in they're already out of control they live in fear yeah fear is ego working when you are in the spiritual self there's no fear is fake nothing you need to be frightful frightened of okay 合一 okay 合一 unity okay think about that word okay and one more word to describe the higher self is this word okay 无我 okay or non-self okay you are not when you call out 无我 okay or non-self it doesn't mean it's not yourself it means you are every self okay you are everyone okay you are everyone that's why we have in Tao we have 无中生有 right 无中生有 or we can say it comes from nothing right and another term is called 无为 什么也不做 I do nothing right but actually 无为 it means 无所不为 I do anything 无所不为 right 无我 it means I'm everyone when you are on the street suddenly you have the feeling of yeah actually I'm him I'm her we are the same right at that moment this is what we call enlightenment at that moment you are enlightened you can feel connected with everyone when you see everything you just can see love peace and joy okay at the moment at the state of love peace and joy you are enlightened okay some people may ask what is enlightened Buddhism even a lot of history books talk about you need to be enlightened can someone type it in the chat box enlightened so someone know what it is okay in Chinese you call 觉醒 right you need to wake up right you need to wake up right you need to wake up or in Buddhism you also call 开悟 right 开悟觉醒 right sorry for those that cannot understand Chinese okay we have lovely people here that they will type the English version here okay in the chat box okay so we have 开悟 okay we have 觉醒 similar meaning in English which is called enlightened okay yeah 觉醒 okay you need to wake up you're no longer living in your body right you're no longer living you know you are just part of the universe we are connected I'm very happy I love you all that you stay with me okay thank you so much for staying with me okay I try to use my word very simple English to explain to you guys a very deep concept okay so you guys can take it as much as you can and test it out okay try this from yourself okay love yourself first love your fiance love your family love your children love your parents love your wife parents love your wife's family and expand it right to the society right to your staff to your boss right to your colleague right and then to the country to the whole earth right that's why in Chinese we have some word called 修身齐家治国平天下 right you need to 修身 you need to take good care of yourself first you need to understand yourself you need to right you need to enlighten yourself first. Don't aim for money. No point to aim for money when you don't know how it works, right? You get lots of money, you're gonna lose it, right? No point to get lots of money, right? No point to do something you have no purpose of, right?